Folks, I want to take a look at how to take this Illustrator file and turn it into a funky animated 80s style background. Okay, so with an Illustrator file, you'll see that it's not looking particularly sharp here, it's looking quite pixelated. Well, just click on this little button here, next to the Shy Guy, continuously rasterize, and that looks great. But I actually want to do something else with this. I want to go to the Layer menu and go Create and create shapes from vector layer. Okay, and that's going to just figure this all out. Okay, and you see it looks just the same, but actually it's now a shape layer and this layer has been turned off. Okay, so if I open the shape layer, contents, well I just need to go to the add menu and I'm just going to add to this wiggle paths. Alright. And hey presto, we've got lots of wiggles, but that's really too much. So what I want to do is just open the wiggle path setting. And I'm going to take the size down to maybe 2 and the detail to 5. And now the entire background has been brought to life. Thanks for watching.